This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Marla Harris. Beautiful all-brick 3-bedroom/2-bath home on 2.5 partially wooded acres. There are several outbuildings including a 2-car detached garage, a pole barn for lawn tractor and gardening equipment, and a car shed. A large, open deck overlooks the woods and partially fenced backyard with lots of mature shade trees. This 1.5-story includes the kitchen with granite counters, cherry cabinets and appliances, a great room with a wood stove, a bedroom and a full bath all on the main level. The upper level includes the loft, a primary suite, and another bedroom. The full bath includes a double sink vanity. Home features a dual thermostat that controls the heat/air conditioner on the main level and the upper level. To top it off, this peaceful oasis is just minutes from Bloomington, IU campus and Lake Lemon.